Okay guys, welcome again on a new method on how to make money online. In this quick video, I'm going to share with you how to earn up to 500 naira every 10 minutes on this platform. All you just have to do for you to earn this 500 naira every 10 minutes on the platform is for you to watch this video from the beginning right till the very end, because there are some tips that I'm going to share with you by the end of this video that will help you to make up to 500 naira each 10 minutes you spend on the what platform. And guys, you can see on my phone screen right away, said earn easy cash online by performing the simplest task. The task on this platform is just very easy for us to do, for we to earn reasonable amount of money for ourselves. You can see again down part, earn thousands of naira daily by performing simple social media tasks such as liking, commenting and following. And all those things are things that we are doing for free on this platform. When you do this, they are going to what, pay you for doing each task on the platform. And before I will go further to tell you how you can make it happen, how you can earn 500 naira each 10 minutes on this platform, I would like to introduce myself to you right away. So just make sure you watch this video until the very end. So let's introduce ourselves. If you're my existing subscriber, you are welcome. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, my name is Eric Diamond. And on this channel, I take complex principles, I break them down into easy bits for an average Nigeria, for an average person to take increase what? Their finance. All I just want you to do is for you to click on the subscribe button right away and turn up the bell notification icon so that you will be notified each time I upload a video just like this one. And guys, if you find any value on this video, all I just want you to do, guys, is just for you to click on the like button and the share button. Share it to your what, to your loved ones, for them to see the same thing that you are saying. So guys, let's dive into today's video because I don't want to waste much of your time. So guys, let's go and let me tell you how you can make everything happen, how you can work it out for you to earn 500 naira every 10 minutes you spend on the platform. So guys, here we are on the platform again, and guys, you have some steps for you to take for you to start making money on the platform. The first step here, as you can see over here on my phone screen right away, how to start earning on the platform. Number one thing that you have to do to start earning on this platform is for you to create a free account. This website is a free website that you can make use of to earn money for yourself, guys. So the first thing we're going to do here is for you to create an account, which is what, totally free. And guys, for you to get registered on this platform, all you just have to do is for you to click the link or the video description, or go to the comment box, the first link that you are going to see there. Just go ahead and click it, and you will be directed to a place that you will fill a form. So when you fill the form, and after everything, you can what, start making money for yourself. And the second year on the list is link social media what, account. It's just for you to connect your different social media accounts to perform what, tags on the platform, of which I'm going to teach you how you are going to connect your social media account for you to start earning on the platform. And the third one here is perform what, tax, carry out tasks like following other people's social media and get paid for it. Yes, by following other people's social media account, you are going to what, get paid. You are following people, subscribing to people's account, YouTube channel, as I urge you to subscribe to mine right away. So when you subscribe to people's website, when you subscribe to people's account, you are going to what, get paid for each one that you subscribe to. This is the one that interests me the most right here. You can see withdrawal earnings. Withdraw your earnings directly to your bank account easily. But when you earn up to 500 naira on this platform, you will be able to withdraw your what, your earnings, and it will take more than 2 to 3 hours for your earnings to reflect on your what, bank account. So guys, let me show you more about this website by logging in into my own account. As you can see, guys, this is the website over here. Earn real cash for completing what, tax. Before I will show you anything, first of all, let me show you how the tax look like and how you are going to what, to link your social media account for you to start making money on the platform. So let's scroll down and see how the tax look like. Over here you can see comment on a reel and you will earn this amount of money. Comment on a reel again, you will earn this amount of what, money. Follow profile on Facebook and you will earn this amount of money. Comment on videos on TikTok, you will earn this amount of money. Like post on Twitter, you will earn this amount of money. TikTok tax again, let me show you how you can connect your account to and to start earning on this platform. So guys, let's click on one so that I will show you how to connect your social media account with this website, on this website, so that you can start making money for yourself. So let's click on this Facebook follow what profile. Let's click on it. So guys, what you just have to do for you to start earning is for you to what they said, as you can see, select a platform. You tap it and you select, if it is what Facebook, you click on what Facebook, and you add your username, the username, your Facebook username, you add it, you input it right here, and click on what save. After that, you can start making money on for yourself by using what your Facebook account. And the same thing is applied to TikTok, to WhatsApp, Instagram, and Twitter on this what platform. Doing this over and over again, you will earn reasonable amount of money for yourself. Because I said this always, Nigeria is never a funny place for us to joke. When we see any opportunity just like this one, it may not be a huge amount of money. You may not be earning huge amount of money on this platform. 2 to 5,000 naira as a side income, as a side also, is somehow interesting. It can buy you some little things here in what in Nigeria. So guys, let me show you how to earn more on the platform. If you want to earn more on this platform, what you just have to do is for you to click on this referral icon on the down part of this video on the website. Click on this referral icon right away, and you can see guys, it said earn 6% of whatever your referral earns. That means you are going to earn 6% of whatever your referral was, and you can, for you to earn this 6%, all you just have to do is for you to copy this link over here. When you copy this link over here, just like this one, when you copy it, you paste it on your Facebook, you refer your friend, you refer your relative, you refer your even your enemy, and they will make money on this platform, and you also, you will make what yours on the platform. And when you earn up to 500 naira or even more than 500 naira on the platform, and you want to place a withdrawal, all you just have to do is for you to click on this withdrawal icon right here. When you click on this withdrawal icon, the first thing that you are going to do on the platform is for you to what edit your bank information by clicking on this edit bank info right here. And guys, you can see I've registered my, said bank name, you input your bank name here, your bank account, you input your bank account, and click on what on save. And after that, you can click on this what withdrawal button, and you input your account number, you input your what bank name, and you input your account, and definitely within 2 to 3 hours you will receive your money directly to your bank account. So guys, this is the end of my video. If you have any question, all you just have to do is for you to place a comment on this video, and I will definitely and gladly answer you all. Thank you for watching this video until the very end. And don't forget, if you want to register on this platform, all you just have to do is for you to click on the link on the video description or on the comment box and get registered and start making money for yourself. I wish you good luck. Thanks, and bye bye for now. Peace.